Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to achieve summer glowing youthful makeup look for summer, and particularly for girls like me over 40, this is its video for you. Let's dive in. First, I'm gonna use moisturizer from One Skin. This is moisturizer will help me with my pigmentation, with my lines. And what I like about this moisturizer, it's a light texture, fragrance free, and it's anti-inflammatory. You can use day or night. For my eye cream, I'm gonna use Lancome Genifique. Formula, it's very unique. It's like a gel cream. This eye cream for dark circles, for puffiness, and it's not a heavy or rich formula. For summer, it's perfect one. Summer, and do you know what its most important item do you need in your skincare? Sunscreen. I have Supergoop 40 SPF $38, and this is sunscreen have a little bit color. It's a tinted sunscreen, and this product will give me this nice beautiful glow. And now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite drugstore foundation, Infallible. Oh my god, so hard to pronounce. By L'Oreal. My color it's 204, medium coverage, radiance finish, long wearing, and I just love how my skin looks, and it's have a nice beautiful stay power. I don't have a perfect skin. I have discoloration, pigmentation. I have a lot of texture on my skin, and most what I hated, my skin not just sensitive, my skin really sensitive. But look at this foundation, it looks so pretty on me. Time for concealer, I'm gonna use $20 concealer from Lancome, medium coverage, matte finish, very light texture, but I like how this concealer stays. And look at this applicator, it's perfect one. I like to keep concealer for maybe 1 minute. It will slightly little bit dry formula, but then I feel when I start working with my fingers, it stay much more better. Also, this concealer, it's not just gonna cover my dark circles, but also gonna bright. It's a very nice brightening concealer. When it's summer, it's never enough glowing or shimmer products. I'm gonna put just right here on my, I will say, cheekbone, Strobe Dewy Skin Tint from MAC. I love this product. Sometimes I can use this under my foundation, sometimes on top my foundation, or sometimes I can mix with my foundation. It's a multiple purpose products, but can you see this glow? I love these products. My lips little bit dry, and I need to put a little bit lip maximizer from Dior. Because it's summer, it's hot outside, I'm gonna set my makeup with powder from Yves Saint Laurent. I love this powder, it's not heavy, it's pretty sheer. Summer, and this is its time where you can experience with so many different colors, and I'm gonna use brand new Chanel eyeshadow. Personally, every time when I using this little baby, and it's number 224 Jaded or Jade, sorry, it's $40. Everybody asking me, what do you have on your eyes? Yes, look at this beautiful minty metallic color, very nice pigment, right? I have a flat old Chanel brush, you know, everything what it's old, it's so good. I'm applying this eye color on my low lid. Wow, look at this. Oh my god, I love this color, and it goes so beautiful. Few more time, let's reapply, let's build color, but it's a bright, but it has this, I will say, goldy shift, beautiful. And now I'm gonna show you star of the show. Yes, it's not me, it's by It Cosmetic Face Palette. Look at this. We have here bronze, we have highlighter, and we have a blush. I love this bronze. Matte, shimmer. This color reminds me a little bit, I will say, orgasm blush from North, and I believe from Benefit highlighter. And this is just amazing. Look at this huge mirror here. Then if you're traveling, you can use this for face, you can use this for eyes. I have a big blending brush from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna use this color right. I'm using this bronze as my middle color. And now the small tiny brush, and let's use this highlighter. I'm gonna apply very close where's my brow bone, just halfway. I'm not applying right here, just kind of like on the center. After eyeshadow application, I need to curl my lashes. And now I want my eyes to look more sexy. I'm gonna use Tom Ford liquid eyeliner. I apply very close to my lashes, and I'm doing my way. Just step. It's way more easy to apply this eyeliner this way when you're just like trying to make all line. My eyes, it's done, and this liquid eyeliner, I feel it's make my eyes exotic. What do you think? Comments below. Now I'm gonna use primer from Christian Dior and mascara from Giorgio Armani Eccentrica. Because this eyeshadow light and bright, it means they keeping me young. And now let me show you how to use this beautiful palette. I have a blush brush. I'm gonna use bronze first. I'm gonna apply very close to my hairline. Then I apply right here underneath. Products go really smooth, no blotchy. I love it. Bronze is done, and let's use blush. I love this blush. It's light, it's bright, and it's keeping me young and fresh. Now I have a North brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful highlighter. This is its perfect palette for summer. This is its perfect glowing look for summer. And I'm gonna finish this look with lip liner from brand Flight 70. All products and names are listed below. And I'm gonna use this lipstick. Look how cute. First of all, let me show you how cute this packaging, and it's from Queen Musea. It's a clean formula lipstick, but it's so cute, and it's color Becky Sharp. Let's try, let's see. Wow, this lipstick, it's very creamy and rich. And for my lip gloss, I'm gonna use Lancome Hallucination Lip Gloss. This is my easy glowing summer look. I hope you like. Please subscribe, comments below. I really want to grow my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. And most important, I look not 46, I look 36, right?